In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your display name shows up just the way you want it across Dhgate. Start by logging into your Dhgate account either on a desktop browser or the mobile app. Once you're signed in, head to My Dhgate. This is your main account hub where most personal settings live. On mobile, this might appear under your profile icon or the menu, but the label My Dhgate should be easy to spot. From there, open the membership section. This is where Dhgate groups many profile and account-related options. Inside membership, select account settings. You're now in the right place to update your display details. Look for the nickname section. This nickname is the name other users see on your profile, messages, and activity. It's different from your real name on orders or billing, so changing it won't affect your shipping or payment information. When you find nickname, click or tap change next to your current nickname. Type in your new nickname, then save. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm to apply the change. It may take a moment for the new nickname to update across the site and app, so don't worry if you don't see it everywhere immediately. A quick refresh or signing out and back in can help it display right away. A quick but important note, you can usually change your nickname only once. Because of that, choose something you're confident you'll keep for a while. Keep it clear, memorable, and appropriate for how you plan to use the account. If you're a seller, a clean brand-aligned name works well. If you're a buyer, something simple and recognizable is a great choice. Avoid personal details like phone numbers or emails in your nickname to protect your privacy. And if the system doesn't accept certain symbols or spacing, try a simpler version with plain letters and numbers. If you don't see the membership option exactly as described, menus can vary slightly between desktop and mobile or after app updates. The key is that the nickname control lives under account settings within your account area. As long as you're in My Dhgate, you're close. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to My Dhgate, open membership, head to account settings, find nickname, choose change, enter your new nickname, save, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Dhgate name.